How BTC price can dump to $62,000. We're gonna talk about this. Let's figure it out. So here we are. So the last time which we had a weekly Sunday video, there was two things which made us to be concerned about the market structure and be a bit skeptic about the market price which is happening right now for the BTC. Every day higher highs and higher highs. So the first thing, guys, it was making me actually concerned about the market structure, which I was not like definitely sure the price are like it's going to the uptrend as a base normal build up of the market structure. It was the BTC dominance which is making an uptrend, and every day it's going toward peaks, you know. So this is not normal for me actually, especially in the past few weeks. Can you see how hugely is just keep going upward? And then second thing which was making me so much concerned, guys, and this is the most important one, it was the BTC accumulation trend score. Okay, there were, so these two things is some of the main thing which I can pay attention about it and see the next step of the BTC price, or better to say the next step of the market, crypto market, what is going to happen for the price of BTC and then market structure. So tonight we are not going to talk about the BTC dominance, because already the BTC dominance has got so much things to speak about it. But most important thing for tonight is the BTC accumulation trend score, guys, which we are going to discuss about it. So let me, guys, give you a obvious and simple examples that we could understand very easily what is going on. Then we will I'll give you the point what will gonna happen for the market in the next couple of months, something like that, or next couple of weeks, whatever. So if we go on a BTC price, guys, those places which I've marked already, the peaks and the bottoms, those flash outs, so each of them, guys, it gives us obvious downtrend and obvious spikes to the uptrends. So those peaks and those bottoms. The point is this: if we go back on 7th of April 2024, 2025, I'm sorry, which the price from 108,000 has dumped to almost $74,000 at the time. Okay, so in this case, if we go back in past 2 years on a BTC accumulation trend score index, you're gonna get my point. Just be patient and listen to this. Okay, so if we go back on a 2025 April, these areas, okay, I'm sorry about my phone. In those areas, guys, you can see the accumulation trend score number, the where which I'm shaking, guys. The down one is accumulation trend score number, and the above one is price BTC into the USD dollar. So in that time, you guys can see the trend score, the accumulation trend score. It was about non-zero, non-zero, which means there was no investor, nobody's interesting to the Bitcoin at that time. Nobody. So obviously nobody is buying anything. Okay, so it was 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and here it comes to the 0.17. So as I said before on my previously videos, the trend score, when it goes toward 1, shows the most extremely buyers, and when it goes towards zero, it shows most extremely less buyers. When it goes zero, there's no buyers. When it goes below half of the one, it means there is some buyers and some not. So those are the things. So here we had no buyers. Even here we can see totally zero. And again, it's half is good number and above half is fantastic. So here even we had no even half of the numbers, right? And at the time we had above half this trend score, we can see the price was hitting the lowest of itself. Here we have the price $76,000, and here we have the price about $78,000. You're gonna get my point. Be patient, okay? And once the trend score was flowing to the uptrend, can you see? So 0.27, 0.13, 0.15, 0.30, 0.40, and 0.half. The half is come up right now. Can you see that? So at the time the trend score was going up, pay attention to this. Look at the price right now. It was $76,000. Once the trend score accumulation it goes up, the price was following the trend score. So even we got the price from $76,000 to the $93,000 to the $100,000 to the $110,000. Okay, which we had the peak at $126,000. Okay, the point is that so once the trend score is down, basically we have no people to be interested in crypto and they do not inject any money. Once they do not inject any money, we have no valid base build-up structure. That's the thing which makes me concerned and be skeptic about the market, which is happening right now in 2026. Right now, which I'm talking to you guys, is 27th of May 2026. So the thing is that you could see, yeah. So once we had the trend score that much low, we had the price in this much low in here. And once the trend score goes up, the price, we can see technically how it's following the trend score. And here, which is the peaks. So let's go and talk about the moment which I'm talking to you and we are watching this video. So at the moment, if we have a look at this area is the lowest area which the BTC had seen its own lowest price, which was $59,000 at 5th of April 2026. Guys, here shows $62,000, but this is not the correct price because I'm sorry, because you know, those websites are a bit has a bit volatility. So can you see this price? The trend score accumulation was about half here, then it gone to 48, 39, 40, 30, 40, 30. So it was kind of ranging and playing. Can you see that? So it has not consecutively numbers, you know, back to back. Those are the reasons which makes the market structure to be not valid, to be not certain, to not follow the certain way. In this case, we can easily figure out the prices playing between two ranges, bottoms and mid tops. Which was the bottom $59,000, and then the top for that time was about, I think, between $75,000, which is still playing in between those. So in this case, we can see we had no accumulation trend score in a consecutive repetition. in that case, the BTC price even has seen $72,000. As the BTC price has seen $72,000, the accumulation trend score, it was non-zero, non-64, which is absolutely fucked up. Okay, I'm sorry for this. And in that case, the BTC price suddenly from $74,000 or $75,000 drops to the $67,000. As it has hit the $67,000, the accumulation trend score, you can see it becomes to the zero, which means there was nobody interested to invest in the crypto market. And then again, it was keep playing. And in these areas, which the accumulation trend score was about 9.22, and then it was following to the up, and then, can you see, guys, since 3rd of April to the right now, which I'm talking to you, is 27th of April, the accumulation trend score was not that much, massively strong. It's just still playing. So this is the point which I want you to pay attention about it. So can you imagine that the BTC price from $65,000 has increased currently to $78,000, or the obvious numbers, which even the BTC price has hit $82,000 in the last week or this week. So can you see the BTC price from $65,000 has jumped to the $82,000, and then accumulation trend score still is what it was, and he has no shows any buyers, any people which is interested to the crypto market at the moment, So that makes me very suspicious about this pumping BTC price to be not valid for me, actually, And then if we go back and look at the 16th of December 2024. Let me find it out, guys. I'm sorry for a few seconds. Must be here. December 2024. Okay, here we go. 16th of December 2024. Listen to this. It's just an example, okay? In this POI, point of interest, at 4th of November 2024, once the BTC price was about $67,000, the accumulation trend score was about almost 1. That means the most extremely point of interest which buyers are existing in that time. So the more accumulation trend score number higher, it means the more buyers are existing into the market. Listen to this. So here we had the trend score above half, almost 1. Here totally 1. 99, 95, 95. Above half. Listen to this. So the BTC price was about $67,000, and with the consecutive trend score numbers back to back, the BTC price from $67,000 has followed the accumulation trend score even to $97,000. Okay, even the BTC price has gone above $106,000. Okay, listen to this. And once the accumulation trend score has start dropping, can you see it's going to be thicker color, thinner color. So can you see thicker color? I think so. I'm sorry. Can you see? So the BTC price is dropping slowly. Even see the accumulation trend score now. It's going to be around zero. No buyers. The BTC price is only having seen in the volatilities in the market. See, so any moment can just drop. So here we had seen $106,000 and suddenly it must drop. I'll show you right now. See, the BTC price was $106,000. Suddenly it has dropped to $78,000, which we had seen $74,000 in just couple of weeks after this date, 10th of March 2025, which we had seen $74,000 in 7th of April 2025. Okay, so this is the thing which I want you to pay attention, guys, to not fall into the market trap. This thing can happen exactly for right now into the market. The BTC price is pumping because of the manipulation which Trump or the Trump government, whatever shit happens, into the markets, he's doing it. That's the thing which I'm telling you guys. Do not trust the market price right now, which is pumping. In next couple of weeks or maximum next couple of months, if the BTC price was making ATH every week and the accumulation trend score was not growing with the price, was not following the price, then be very skeptic about the market and be very suspicious about the market, and every moment the BTC price can dump very massively. So I want you to subscribe the channel and watch the every weekly Sundays the market updates to be aware of this big trap if it's happening. And we are at the end of the video, and hopefully this video could be helpful for you and makes you a bit aware of those things, awarenesses, and yeah, I will get you guys update on a weekly analysis. Subscribe the video, like it, and put a comment to make the video grow when the other people could see it. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.